Hey car lovers, today, I'm breaking down one of the most critical parts of your vehicle. Brakes. Yep, those things you rely on every time you drive. First up, let's talk about the brake pedal. When you press it, you're actually pushing fluid through a system of pipes and hoses. This fluid travels to the calipers. Oh, and these calipers? They're like the pincers of a crab. When they clamp down, they squeeze the brake pads against the rotors. Let's pause here for a sec. Imagine the rotors as big, spinning discs attached to your wheels. The friction from the brake pads squeezing the rotors is what slows your car down. Simple, right? Now there's something called ABS, or anti-lock braking system. This tech is a lifesaver. When you slam on the brakes, ABS prevents your wheels from locking up, so you can still steer. It's done through sensors that monitor wheel speed and adjust brake pressure accordingly. Cool, huh? One more thing. Brake fluid. It's the lifeblood of your brake system. You gotta keep it clean and topped up. Dirty or low brake fluid. That's a one-way ticket to brake failure. So, there you have it. A quick rundown of how your car brakes work. Remember, keep your brakes in tip-top shape for a safe ride. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car tips and tricks. Catch you next time.